This video is going to be very important for everyone. Today we will talk about Facebook credit line. How can you apply for a Facebook credit line? What is required to apply is in the video. If you are new to this topic, after watching the full video, you can also apply for a credit line. You can see the business manager in the video on now. Only the business manager has done document verification. If you are new, then you cannot understand how to verified business manager. Go and watching my old videos. Right now, if I go to billing and payments, you can see many ad accounts. Above you will see the option to apply credit line is enabled. The first requirement to apply for a credit line, minimum 10-page adding with your business manager. We have already done this. Now we will click on Get Start button. Some necessary information has to be submitted here. Here you will provide your company information and address with company bank account information. I am submitting this information. When we provide this information to the Facebook Meta team, it will go pending review. If the information is submitted correctly, it will go to pending here. The information provided by you can be seen here by entering the legal entry. Those who do not have the option to apply, how to turn on the option to apply for this, you need to spend $30,000 in your business manager within 90 days. The another option, credit line, apply business manager purchase. Here I have given the photo of some credit line business manager approval. For any need, you can directly talk to me on WhatsApp. You will get the WhatsApp number in the comment box.